Alright, so you already know how to install a shift knob. You just go counterclockwise to loosen it. But the main question is, will this Monster Sport shift knob that works for like Suzuki's, will they fit on that? So right now we're gonna figure that out. It sounds like I just woke up. I did. Oh shoot, this is gonna be hard to do with one hand. Okay, so get your shift knob. Let's see if that works. Nope, it doesn't work. Oh, it feels nice though. Ooh, that feels great. Yeah, so it's way too recessed. The threads are all the way up to I want to say right here, and it doesn't reach, I believe. Yeah. So let's fix that, shall we? So I'm gonna have to remove material off of the shift boot collar, and that way I can use the shift knob. So I'm gonna cut around to where my nail is, and then we'll go from there. Like this nail, from my nail down, that's where we're gonna trim the excess material so that way we can use the shift knob on the car. Which kind of sucks because, well, I really don't want to cut this. But my dumbass wants to retrofit that shift knob to my car, so let's do it. Alright, so I pretty much just had to trim the collar. So that way, instead of it sitting high up like that from the stopper, it's now just that. So hopefully, in theory, okay, so it works. Okay, so alright, so it is significantly lower, and the way it sits now, I should be able to install the shift knob properly now. So it should look something like that. And there you go. It's pretty snazzy. And it feels a lot nicer to grip. So there you go. Monster Sport shift knob. Some modifate so there you go, Monster Sport shift knob. Some modification required because yeah, I had to trim the collar, the shift boot collar, a little bit. But yeah, there you go. It's on. It looks good. I mean, it matches the color of the car, so there you go. So this is the outro because I forgot to make one when I was filming. So here you go. Leave a like if you like the video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to support the channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. And I'll answer back to you whenever I can. Until then, have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.